Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're thinking about selling your home and want to maximize its value before putting it on the market, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 8 effective ways to increase your home's value. So whether you're looking for some quick DIY projects or you're willing to invest a little more, these tips are sure to help you get top dollar when you sell. So let's jump right in. All right, first on the list is to clean and declutter. It's amazing how much a clean, clutter-free home can do for your property's value. Start by sorting through your closets, cabinets, storage areas, and get rid of anything you don't need. A professionally cleaned home can make a huge difference, and it's relatively inexpensive. If you're on a budget, you can do it yourself, but hiring professionals typically costs between $220 to $325 for like a 4-bedroom house. Trust me, a little elbow grease can go a long way. Next up, consider, this is a little more expensive, but adding usable square footage. So more livable space means more value, right? So whether it's adding a new bedroom, finishing a basement, or even creating a separate in-law suite, additions can definitely set your home apart from others on the market. While the cost can range from about $22,000 to $82,000 or more, the added functionality and appeal can significantly boost your home's value. Another option is today's eco-conscious world, energy efficient upgrades are definitely a big selling point. So if you install like a smart thermostat or energy efficient windows or adding insulation, it not only lowers your utility bills, but can make your home attractive to buyers that are eco-conscious. These upgrades can cost anywhere between $175 to $1,000, but they quickly pay for themselves through energy savings, making them a smart investment. Next up, this one is definitely dollar for dollar. You're gonna get your money back. So never underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint. Whether it's interior or exterior, the new paint is definitely gonna make your home look clean and well maintained when you use neutral colors. The cost varies, so with interior painting, if you hire it out, it's gonna cost between like $970 to a room to $3,000, for maybe your whole home. An exterior painting costs around like $1,800 to $4,500, something like that. For smaller projects, a DIY approach can definitely save you money, but for bigger jobs, hiring professionals is definitely the better way to go. Next up is curb appeal. Curb appeal is crucial because it's the first thing potential buyers see. Simple tasks like power washing your driveway, mowing the lawn, and upgrading your landscaping can make a big difference. You want to consider adding a fresh walkway, new shrubs, or even a patio or maybe outdoor kitchen. These changes can make your home stand out and make a great first impression. So talking about exterior doors. So this is a great way that can be a game changer for your house. A new front door or garage can dramatically improve your home's appearance. In fact, garage door replacements offer nearly a 200% return on investment. And new steel front doors can give you a return on investment of about 188%. So these upgrades are not only visually appealing, but they're also highly cost effective, and you're gonna get that money back. Another update is your kitchen. The kitchen is definitely the heart of the home, so updating your kitchen is definitely a great starting point. So even modest updates can have a huge impact. Consider upgrading your appliances, installing modern hardware on your cabinets, or giving the cabinets a fresh coat of paint. Installing new light fixtures in the kitchen and adding some updated neutral countertops are something buyers will definitely pay more for in your home. Last but certainly not least, consider staging your home. Staging can help potential buyers envision themselves living in the space, making it more likely that they'll make an offer. Professional staging costs anywhere between $800 for occupied staging or $2,800 for empty, full home staging, depending on the level of service. But it can make a significant difference in how quickly things sell and how much your home sells for. So there you have it, 8 ways to increase your home's value before selling. And whether you tackle these projects yourself or bring in professionals, these tips can help you get the most out of your home for sale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Y'all take care.